There are a few options if a student needs to create a digital coordinate grid. The first option is the teacher can share the test through Google Drive or Google Classroom. And if it's a Google Doc, the student simply clicks on Open with Kami and it'll create a file. And then the student can use the Kami tools, which I'll show you in a minute. The other option is the teacher can assign the test as a Kami assignment through Google Classroom. Finally, if there isn't a digital copy of the test, the student can open Kami, click Kami Library, select grid paper or graph paper. They'll have a few options open with Kami. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't have the X and Y axis, so the student can click Shape, Insert Line, hold the Shift key to keep it a straight line. Now, it doesn't have the arrows, so click the Select tool, click the line, 3 lines, and go ahead and add the arrows. Then go ahead, select another line, and repeat for the Y axis. Select, click, 3 lines, and there are the arrows. Now to plot the points, the student would come to the drawing tool this time. Select a thickness that's a little bit bigger, 4 or 6, and then they simply have to just click to draw the different points. Now, as you can see, there are no numbers here. So if the student wanted to zoom in, they could, and it might be a little easier visually to plot the points. If the student needed to then connect the lines, come back to the shape tool, click and draw a line. Now, whether it was a test assigned by the teacher or if the student started from scratch, if they needed more graph paper, their final option is to come to the bottom, add more pages, select grid paper, or they could go to the Kami library, but just select grid, add, and then they could keep adding as many pieces of grid paper as they need. And there you go. Now they have extra grid paper to continue working. One final note, if the student created their own version, whether they opened it in Kami on their own or they started with the Kami library, they just have to be sure to share it with the teacher, coming up and click share, come down to Google Drive share settings, and then they can simply type the teacher's name to share it with the teacher so they have access to it.